I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect to public Wi-Fi on your iPhone. First, locate and tap the Settings app icon on your home screen. Once inside Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on the Wi-Fi option. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle switch is in the on position, showing green, to enable your device to scan for networks. Now, you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Look for networks that are clearly labeled as public, like Guest Wi-Fi or a business name. Tap on the name of the public network you wish to join. Be cautious of networks that require a password unless you have been provided with it by the establishment. After selecting a network, your iPhone might automatically open a web page, often called a captive portal. This page usually asks you to accept terms and conditions, or sometimes to enter a simple detail like an email address. Read through the prompts, agree to the terms, and then tap the Join or Connect button to gain internet access. While convenient, public Wi-Fi isn't always secure. For added protection, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your data. It's also wise to avoid online banking or shopping on public networks. Always disconnect from the Wi-Fi when you're finished to protect your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.